55 plus, but not what you'd expect. Built in 2023, this home is modern, open, and intentionally designed, from the custom lighting to the multi-panel slider that completely opens up the space. This one just hits different.